Tower 212.
Number 68212, summertime.
Yeah, I'd like a southeast departure, please.
68212, southeast departure approved.
Southeast departure approved, 212. Thank you.
212 traffic's a helicopter inbound from the southeast.
Looking for traffic, 212.
Helicopter 305 November Kilo 4 miles southeast.
Target 5 number Kilo, Summer Tower, taxi Foxtrot, cleared to land. Target Cessna departed southeast on to Redlands.
Roger, looking for a Cessna takeoff 305 November Kilo.
Say 212, picture change approved. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. 212. Redlands traffic, Cessna 212 is off San Bernardino, entering right downwind 426, Redlands.
Redlands Airport, automated advisory, wind 270 at 5, visibility better than 10 miles. Altimeter 2992, density altitude 3,500, per runway, pilot's discretion.
Redlands traffic, Cessna 68212 on right downwind 26, Redlands. Got 10 degrees of flaps, which we enter when we hit the numbers on the downwind. And we should be about 75, I'm a little slower than that. Redlands traffic, Cessna 68212 turning right base 26, Redlands. Redlands traffic, Cessna 212 is on final, 26, full stop, Redlands. And this is landing number 5, airport number 5, home airport. Three in the green, extra rich, prop set for go around. Hot. And 24, so you're gone for about an hour and a half, I think. We're recorded for an hour and 40 minutes, so. Anyhow, we're back. We're on the ground and a safe flight. Thing doesn't climb very good, especially when you got the density altitude a little high.
Redlands Airport, automated advisory, wind 260 at 6, visibility better than 10 miles. Altimeter 2998, density altitude 3,500, per runway, listen for traffic.
Pull in here and top the tanks off. And we're pretty much done. Thanks for flying with us today. Hope you enjoyed your flight. Out. And that's it.